Who are you talking to on the phone?
Who's on the phone? Who's talking to?
Nana.
You're calling Nana? And Papa?
What do you say?
You say, hello?
Hello.
Hello? Say, Papa, I'm going to send you a picture. Say, Papa, are you going to dance? Hokey pokey.
When are you
You want
dancing?
Papa to do the hokey pokey?
Yeah.
Well, you got to show him how. How do you do the hokey pokey?
It's scary.
That scares you?
It's scary.
That's you, Ben. Why does that scare you?
It's scary.
That's Ben. So silly, Ben. Wait, come on, Mommy's gonna start. Look, sit still, we're gonna do it. We're gonna see you guys dancing. Riley, just a minute.
Riley.
Just a minute.
You don't want to sit? You want to dance? You want to
Okay,
dance?
just a minute, Riley. Look at Ben. Look at Ben dancing.